omu bwasiri wechisemi omu kichwes migos ogamba nigolitukulia ero achakia omurobeli hoeri Africa oyo omurobeli olengete kwanekina gusegeta obotukiase chi university murobeli nigo chakwa bene ase university ya Kisii ase abotani bechisemi banyaka bagwikirana gakwana ase omo yega oyo gose ase university ya Kisii muskemi migos ogamba nigatabuna obotuki ananmona sensemo ya mangana a science na mangana yichi namba na bura chikonya kabako konya ase okogendereria amangana yichi semi na boigo okweroberia magega yo gukora chisemi ate chi skuru mulikito Daniel Ntiri nigekirana ase omo sangirekano yo na gotwara ndia roboti rokobwatia
ukwana chinga kichego cha kebene omurobelio oheri Africa yura chikokonya aborokigwa be university ga Kenya okora obotuki bagutumeka chi computer ne metandao yekerero asokonyoro bumanyi boiseina sa masomo ogamba nigatebere buna egetambo kirekiga ngechikokonya na nigokere kengenchenene.
Data is important, evidence is important, research is important, decisions must be based on and will be able to resolve a lot of our problems. That's why this is so important, and that's why as a government we are taking it very, very seriously that we will support research. And that's why the government has actually come up with an independent state department of research.
Asomoiga yokoreka as university ya Kisii no ikirenwa waigona watani au kurwase sekta yichisemi nego chinga kecho aine kibona ya serikali ya Kenya nere nekirenga kyukinia ibirengo bichisemi ile Kenya ikire ibirengo bichinsichinde ne chinga kecho egero murobolio bwe wizara ya ye yokobeka abarukiwa achiskuru au gose placement.
The government policy is children or learners select their schools, correct? So you have 4 categories. Learners choose category 1, 3 schools, category 2, 3 schools, category 3, 3 schools, category 4, 3 schools, a total of 12 schools. Suppose your school has not even had one person selecting it. Where do we get students to give you? Then you accuse me of saying this placement system is killing our schools. It's not true, because the data is showing there is something that data needs to tell us. So now we need to assess, are these schools supposed to be maintained, or where you have 5 students choosing or 10 or something? So this data needs to help us make decisions on where do we take the resources.
Aso botenli we university ga kolengana na barbo ekiga negetambokero ekiya ukonya aborokigwa gusuka gocha sebirengo binde kumwaka bwekiri bubere na 50.
So what we are saying that in our multilingual setting, research in language education is crucial for boosting foundational literacy, improving classroom practice, and preserving local knowledge systems. It's very, very crucial to have that.
On behalf of the County Administration of Kisii, I affirm our commitment to supporting partnership that enhances research, innovation, and educational excellence. We congratulate all stakeholders involved in the establishment of Harnessing Education Research for Impact, that is Heri Africa initiative, and wish you great success as you embark on this transformative journey.
And the goal is achievable. Ni kuambia tu maisha ya kitambo kwa heri na kuingia kwa heri.
Mkurubu terega taseni kiaga tembe kurega university ya Kisii yego toka somo chobo songo litera nengoro kwa Daniel Ntiri.